Let's know 10 mind-blowing facts about the James Webb Telescope. Fact 1. Largest space telescope ever built. The James Webb Space Telescope is the largest and most powerful space telescope ever constructed. With a massive 6.5-meter, 21.3 feet primary mirror made up of 18 hexagonal segments, it dwarfs its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, whose primary mirror is 2.4 meters, 7.9 feet, in diameter. This large mirror allows the JWST to capture much more light, enabling it to observe faint objects at unprecedented distances. Fact 2. Infrared vision. Unlike the Hubble Space Telescope, which observes primarily in the visible and ultraviolet spectrums, the JWST is designed to observe in the infrared spectrum. This infrared capability allows it to peer through cosmic dust clouds and view objects that are too cold or too distant to be seen by visible light telescopes. It's specifically tailored for this kind of observation, making it an incredibly powerful tool for astronomers. Fact 3. Observing the birth of stars and planets. The JWST's infrared vision will allow it to observe the birth of stars and planetary systems. By looking at these regions of space where stars are forming within dense clouds of gas and dust, the telescope can provide unprecedented insight into the processes that lead to star and planet formation. It will help scientists understand how common planetary systems like our own solar system are throughout the universe. Fact 4. Unprecedented distance. The JWST is positioned at the second Lagrange point, which is approximately 1.5 million kilometers, or about 1 million miles, away from Earth. This location allows the telescope to remain in a stable orbit, providing it with a clear and uninterrupted view of the universe. The L2 point also allows the telescope to stay in line with Earth as it orbits the Sun, enabling it to operate in near-constant darkness. Fact 5. Multi-layered sunshield. One of the JWST's most critical components is its sunshield, which is the size of a tennis court. The sunshield is made of 5 layers of a special material called captain, designed to protect the telescope from the sun's heat. The temperature difference between the hot and cold sides of the sunshield can be as much as 300 degrees Celsius, or 570 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping the telescope's instruments cool enough to detect faint heat signals from distant objects in the universe. Fact 6. The successor to Hubble. The JWST is often referred to as the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, but it's important to note that it will complement rather than replace Hubble. While Hubble has provided incredible images and data from the visible and ultraviolet spectrum, the JWST's infrared capabilities will allow it to see further back in time and study different aspects of the universe, offering a broader and deeper understanding. Fact 7. Collaboration across the globe. The JWST is the result of an international collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. Thousands of scientists, engineers, and technicians from around the world contributed to it. Fact 8. Revolutionizing exoplanet research. One of the JWST's key missions is to study the atmospheres of exoplanets, which are planets outside our solar system. By analyzing the light from stars that passes through an exoplanet's atmosphere, the JWST can identify the presence of key molecules like water, carbon dioxide, and methane. This capability will be crucial in the search for habitable worlds and understanding the composition of these distant planets. Fact 9. Launch and deployment. The JWST was successfully launched on December 25, 2021, aboard an Ariane 5 rocket from French Guiana. The telescope's deployment was one of the most complex and challenging in space history. Over the course of several weeks, the telescope completed a series of carefully choreographed steps to unfold its sunshield and deploy its mirrors, ensuring it was ready to capture the universe in unprecedented detail. Fact 10. First images and discoveries. In July 2022, the JWST released its first images to the public, revealing stunning and detailed views of the universe. These images included the deepest infrared view of the universe ever captured, showcasing thousands of galaxies, some of which formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. The telescope has since been instrumental in numerous discoveries, including identifying new exoplanets and studying the formation and evolution of galaxies and stars.